Do you need to talk to your counselor? You can request an appointment anytime right from your Chromebook. After you've logged in, simply go to the Woodland High School website, click on Academics and Activities, and then click Counseling Center. Scroll down to find your counselor. Your graduation date will be listed next to their picture. Next, click Counselor Appointment Request. You'll be taken to a form. Remember, this form is not for emergencies. If you're having an emergency, call 911, or if you're at school, contact a staff member immediately. Be sure to fill out all of the required questions. You'll need to enter your name. You can add your preferred pronouns too, but if you're uncomfortable with that, it's optional. Next, select your grade and your reason for needing an appointment. You can talk to a counselor about your schedule, peer conflict, harassment, or bullying, mental health issues like depression, anxiety, or feelings of self-harm, post-secondary questions about college, graduation requirements, options for running start, and Cascadia Technical Academy. If none of those fit what you want to talk about, you can always select Other. Be sure to add details so they know what they need to talk to you about. Then all you have to do is submit. Once you submit, counselors will do their best to call you from one of your classes within 2 business days of your request. So be patient. Counselors are busy and have a lot of appointment requests to schedule.